Hello class, this is our lesson 1 computer hardware and components. In our previous class, we have covered many topics: anatomy of computers, internal hardwares. After that, we also covered the external hardware, the input devices. In today's class, we are going to discuss the output devices. Now, what is output device? The output device are used to display or print the process data in a user readable form in which user can read the data easily. A computer can have several output devices attached to it. Some of the common output devices are listed below. At the first, the monitor. Monitor is the most common output device. It is also called Visual Display Unit or VDU in short form. An electronic visual display for computer. With the help of electricity, we can see the visual on the desktop on the monitor. Just like a television, a monitor also display the output on the screen. The picture on a monitor is made up to of a thousand of small colored dots called pixel. With the help of thousand dots, now the output display on the monitor is called soft copy. The output which we can see on the display is called its soft copy. Three types of monitor are commonly used. First, CRT monitor. Full form of CRT is cathode ray tube monitors. Now we are using LCD monitors and TFT monitors. LCD monitor means liquid crystal display, or TFT means thin film transistor monitors. Now after that we are using latest technology LED monitors, light emitting diode LED monitor. Now printer. Second output device is printer. A printer is a peripheral device that accepts text and graphic output from a computer and prints the information on a paper. The printed information on the paper is called the hard copy, and the copy which we can see on the desktop is called its soft copy. As we read earlier, a printer is connected to a computer using a USB port or with the help of a Wi-Fi connection. Printers vary in size, speed and cost. They are of two types. Impact printers. Impact printers allow physical contact between the printer head and the paper. That is, these printers print by the impact of printer head on the paper. The printer head prints on the paper. We can print the paper with the help of printer head with the contact. They are also called character printer. For example, daisy wheel printer or dot matrix printer. Now, non-impact printers. Non-impact printers do not allow physical contact between the printing head and the paper like the previous one. It is opposite of the previous one. That is, they do not strike against the inked ribbon on the paper which is being printed. Only the ink used for printing touches the paper Not impact printers have Non-impact printers have better print quality. For example, thermal printers, inkjet printers, and laser printer. Now the projector. It is our third output device. Like a projector is an output device that take images generated by a computer and display them onto a big screen, wall, or any other flat surface. A projector is commonly used in a school classroom for teaching, at a meeting, in an office to project the presentation about some newly launched product or strategy, in a cinema theaters for projecting movies. Now let's come on storage devices. Storage devices store information unit until it is deleted or overwritten by the user. The commonly used storage devices are: first is hard disk. The hard disk is a magnetic storage device used to store and retrieve data. We can store our data in the hard disk. It is generally embedded within the disk itself or housed in a separate box external to the computer. It is made up of collection of disks known as platters stacked on top of each other. Each platter consists of two read/write heads on both sides of reading the stored data. All the read/write head are attached to a single axis arm so that they do not move independently. Each platter has the same number of tracks to store data. They have all the same tracks to save data. A track located that cuts across all platters is called a cylinder. That is called a cylinder. Hard disk is also known as Winchester disk. This name comes from an early type of disk drive developed by IBM in 1973. Now CD-ROM. A CD-ROM stands for compact disc read only memory. Read only memory means you cannot change the pre-recorded information stored on the disk. So you can only see what is inside the CD. You cannot change the thing in the CD or video in the CD, pictures in the CD. It is a type of optical disc capable of storing large amount of data, information, software, etc. Today, most of the software like audio, video, graphics, and multimedia presentations are found on CDs. The data from a CD is accessed using a CD drive. The storage capacity varies from 650 MB to 900 MB. The speed of a CD-ROM drive is called data transfer rate and is measured in kilobytes per second. There are two types of CD-ROM. CD-R means compact disc recordable, and CDRW means compact disc rewritable. Rewritable disk that we can rewrite, we can erase and again write on that disk. Write means to upload video or download from them. Now the DVD, digital versatile disc. Invented in 1995, DVD has become a very popular data storage device because of its large capacity to store data. It is called digital video disc. which was later changed to digital versatile disc. DVD are optical disc with much larger capacity as compared to CD, means compact disc. DVD can store high quality video, audio and other kind of digital information. DVDs are available in single and double-sided versions. A DVD can store 6 times more data than a CD. The data transmission rate of DVD is much faster than that of a CD, approximately 15 times faster. A DVD can hold 4.7 GB of GB to 17 GB of data. Like a CD-ROM, a DVD is also available in many versions, such as DVD-R means recordable, DVD-RW means DVD rewritable, DVD-R and DVD-RW. Now the Blu-ray disc. What is Blu-ray disc? Blu-ray disc is a new optical disc format that is rapidly replacing a DVD. The name Blu-ray disc is derived from the blue-violet laser which is used to read and write this type of discs. We can write this type of disc. This disc has a same dimension as a DVD and CD, but can hold up to 25 GB of data on a single layer and 50 GB of data on a dual layer disc. Blu-ray disc can store up to 6 times the data stored in a regular DVD. So it has a very large space. Now our last point is flash drive. It is a small and portable flash memory data storage device mainly used to transfer audio. The main use to transfer the audio, video and data files from the hard disk of one computer to another computer. It is removable and rewritable. We can again and again rewrite it. It is plugged into the CPU's computer's USB port. It consists of a small PCB printed circuit board which contain the circuit elements and a USB connector that is electrically insulated and protected inside a plastic, metal or rubberized case. Flash disk is also called the pen drive or thumb drive and is available with storage capacity of up to 1 TB terabyte of data and is further planned to have its capacity to 2 GB. 1 TB means 1000 GB. So that's all for from this chapter. In our next class, I will send you the exercise and question answer of this chapters. So if you have any problem, you can ask me. And please, student, read this chapter again at your home. Thank you, students.